Good evening to all, respected madam and my dear resource persons and my dear teachers.
Let
I'm
us
Preethy from
on the
KV number 2
camera.
Naval
Let us
Base
on the
Kochi.
camera and speak about. Preethy madam, please on your camera. Yes, madam.
Yes, yes. Good evening to all, sir, madam. I'm from KV number 2 Naval Base Kochi, Preethy. I'm a frequent visitor of sir's blog, Maths blog. And sir, early morning when I was about to join the meeting, I was thinking of the model which I am going to make today. So after joining the class, only I came to know that mathematical modeling is a very effective way of making a problem. It's no longer a problem to the children, and it was the effective because of the effective class taken by Satyanarayan sir and Kumaraswamy sir. Now any problem can be solved by the children with this way. We are indeed very happy to get the opportunity to see you, sir, Kumaraswamy sir.
Thank you, madam.
Because we are always our children and teachers, and your the name of your KV is also known to all of us. KV Gachibowli is known to all of us along with your name. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.